Mango. My vitamin A repairs your eye cells and rebuilds your skin from deep within. Eat me every day.
I'm Apple. My pectin fiber removes bad cholesterol and feeds your good gut bacteria. Eat me daily. I'm Banana. My potassium regulates your heart rhythm and gives your muscles instant energy. Eat me before exercise. I'm Grape. My resveratrol protects your brain cells and reduces your risk of heart disease. Eat me daily. I'm Strawberry. My antioxidants lower blood pressure and protect your heart from damage. Eat me every morning. I'm Coconut. My MCT oils fuel your brain instantly and repair your gut lining from damage. Use me daily. I'm Green Apple. I control your blood sugar spikes and help you feel full longer. Eat me as a snack. I'm Blueberry. My antioxidants protect your brain from aging and sharpen your memory. Eat a handful daily.